How do you start affiliate or digital marketing? That's the #1 question sliding into my DMs all the time. Well, guess what? I got you covered. I specialize in digital marketing, creating and promoting digital products, and I have been doing this since September 2023, and it has been a total game changer for me in terms of time and money freedom being a frequent traveler. Here's how to start affiliate marketing. Find a stellar digital marketing course that has the potential to make you lots of money. Don't be fooled by people who tell you to sell cheap products. It takes same effort to sell high-ticket products. You should always remember that starting affiliate marketing doesn't require any previous experience. So far, High Achievers Society provides the best platform to achieve stunning and sustained success. Dive into a carefully planned system that covers everything. Branding, email marketing, this is a game changer, and conquering social media platforms. This isn't just a Canva creation, it's a proven system for results. The first level is less than $100, but the mentorship, off the charts. Oh, did I mention the commission? Up to 50% with a high-ticket digital program. I roll with the $2,500 program, making a sweet 50% per sale. Ready to kickstart your journey like I did? Drop a comment or DM me START, and I'll shoot you the exact blueprint. Let's turn your curiosity into commission.